So it's the last day of sightseeing. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve and then Christmas Day for me. For you guys, when you see it, it will not be. But there's really nothing happening here Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, so not really going to go out about. Going to actually take those to kind of work and do a few little oddball things around the hostel. Today we're just going to cruise down the South Bank. We're going to hit London Bridge. We're going to toll around the Tower of London, not go in. Of course, last time we were here, we already went and did that. And it's a little bit pricey, so I'm not really going to repeat that. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's get done. Alright guys, first stop on the South Bank is the Tate Modern. I didn't get to come last time, just didn't have enough time. Mom loved museums, so I thought it's a good way to spend a Sunday. So let's see what they got going on. That's the Tate Modern. I didn't really film too much in there. What I realized is that I'm not really a modern art kind of gal. There's very few stuff I actually like. So now we're just gonna walk along the South Bank and see what we can see. Alright guys, I think this is where I'm gonna leave my my trip here in London. What better place than in front of the Tower of London with a fancy ice rink and a sad little tree over here. Mom would have really enjoyed this trip, and I think it was a great way to memorialize her. Yeah, I think so. And I think she was along with the trip with me, and she will be for the rest of my trip. So let's head back to the hostel, shall we?